Hello my friends, Dave Schramm here of schrammguitars.com, and today we're going to find out what's in the box. I think you're really going to like it. I know it means a lot to me what's inside here. Let's go check it out. Okay, so found this box, had my mom's writing on this. It says David Wood Carvings. See, when I was real little, probably like even 4 or 5 years old, I was intrigued by cuckoo clocks and hand carvings. Always loved wood carving. And I may have been like maybe 4th or 5th grade when a friend from our church, Norman Michaels, Hope Lutheran Church, this was probably in the 70s, made this wood carving tool for me that you saw in one of my recent videos. So I've had this for over 50 years. Very special. This is probably my #1 favorite tool because of the sentimental value and the hundreds, if not thousands, of wood carvings I've made with this. So when I was young, probably in 1st grade, there was a book by Ben Hunt, I think it was called Crafts and Hobbies, I would always check it out at the library. I have a copy of the book somewhere I bought on eBay years ago. But check out that book, Crafts and Hobbies by Ben Hunt. So anyway, in that book were plans for these wood carvings. So I was probably 10 or 12 years old. So one of the things I made was this little pig that was in one of Ben Hunt's wood carving books. Made this out of a 2x4. This little mouse. This little bird, it says wren, so maybe this is a wren. Little worm, and the bird here. Again, these are from the Ben Hunt books. I think this is a penguin. Then my all-time favorite is this little guy here. I don't know what he is, but he's carrying a box. There's probably in the Ben Hunt books, there's a name of what this is. This was my favorite. All of these crafts here, all of these wood carvings were made from 2x4s in my dad's wood pile. This would have been early to mid 1970s. Anyhow, that's what's in the box. Hope you enjoyed this video, a little bit of history of where my woodworking came from. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Thought I'd show you a close-up of the carvings. This guy, little guy here, that was my favorite. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.